Welcome to the world of PerkinElmer, the globally renowned organization focused on improving the human and environment health. We design, manufacture and service leading scientific solutions for the better health, safety and environment. PerkinElmer is proud to introduce the powerful and versatile liquid chromatographs, the Flexar. The Flexar family ranges from the conventional HPLC to the ultra-high performance LC. When the demands of your laboratory increase, but your budget doesn't, you require excellent performance at the best possible price. Flexar FX10 has a 10,000 psi capability, which allows you to increase your throughput while keeping your bottom line steady. Laboratories opt for the LC system, which is both rugged and reliable, taking into consideration the consumption of solvents and time. The outstanding Flexar UHPLC system addresses these very concerns.
Hi, welcome to PerkinElmer. I am Raj Makhamale, Technical Director, PerkinElmer India, and will take you through the new Flexar UHPLC system. New Flexar UHPLC system is ergonomically designed for convenient and efficient tube management. There are 6 modules installed here. The lower one is FX15 pump, above is Flexar UV-visible detector and a fluorescence detector. The slip module here is a column oven. The column ovens with precise temperature control are available with or without column switching valves. Above this is a solvent manager to keep the solvents. The solvent manager with inline degassers are available for 3 or 5 channels. Adjacent to this stack-off module is an autosampler where you keep your sample vial. The sample then gets injected automatically into the system. This top module is an interface to communicate with data system through Chromera software. Flexar with the new Chromera data handling software offers greater range of configurations than ever before. You have seen that the entire system looks very neat and sophisticated without hanging tubes and connections. The hidden plug-and-play drainage arrangement in Flexar automatically connects with the components added to the system. This makes Flexar a compact and elegant system to work with. Hi friends, we shall show how easy it is to operate the Flexar system and acquire data. The system is now powered on with the individual power on switches on each module, and the data system is set and the Chromera workstation is checking the system. The complete diagnostics routine checks all the modules, communications and interfaces. This takes few seconds. Chromera works under Microsoft Windows Vista environment. Once the check is complete, LED indicators prompt the user about the readiness of the system. Device description technology automatically changes the graphic user interface to reflect the configuration you have selected. The front covers with magnetic edge locks are easy to remove and give an access to module to check inside. The filling fields for the flow rate, gradient, end time, auto start and equilibration time can be filled in for the pump. Reservoirs and solvents can be assigned from 4 bottles. System is provided with solvent filters in the reservoir. FX15 UHPLC operates with typical operating pressure of 18,000 psi with flow rate range from 0.0015 ml per minute across full operating pressure range. Integrated piston wash function keeps pump pistons clean even with buffers. FX15 is built on rugged and reliable PerkinElmer LC technology for maximum uptime and low cost of ownership. We can program the detector, particularly UV-Vis detector, with the wavelength of choice or multiple wavelengths in a sequence from 190 to 730 nanometer. The auto zero function can be enabled or disabled depending upon the gradient. The Flexar detector also provides the life of the lamp in operation and gives an indication for replacement in advance. These are part of the GLP and GLP compliances required in busy laboratories. The detector options to scale up are Flexar UV-Vis LC detector, Flexar FX UV-Vis UHPLC detector, Flexar PDA LC detector, Flexar FX PDA UHPLC detector, Flexar refractive index LC detector, Flexar fluorescence LC detector. The samples to be analyzed can be entered with the name and details in the remark. The quantity of injection and rinsing cycles can be defined in the method. Select the sample injection facility through the manual or auto sampling. The data parameters like sensitivity selection and attenuation can be filled in the fields. However, these can be changed on the fly. There are default values for each parameter. The column details with the minimum and maximum pressure limits can be decided to begin. Save the method with the name or the sequence number. There are choices of autosamplers available with Flexar, and we can go as low as 2 ml volume in the vial. Before starting the run, it is always desired to purge the system with the initial solvent composition to equilibrate the baseline faster. Starting program will monitor the baseline. Due to patented design of the pump, the Flexar UHPLC has no problems with bubble formation, which otherwise occurs in the older design systems.
As you have just observed, the amazingly flexible Flexar provides you
a family of 3 different systems, FX15, FX10 and LC, to suit the requirements of analysis and budget. Elegant ergonomic design with efficient tube management. Chromera enabled powerful functionality and real-time method editing. High performance with 10 times increase in throughput. Expandable options to meet your needs today and into the future. With the flexible new Flexar, you get a wider selection of LC instruments, operating modes and performance levels. Also, you can select from a broader offering of pumps, detectors, auto samplers and other accessories. Flexar is the latest innovation in PerkinElmer's long track record of excellence in liquid chromatography, and our solutions have been proven in thousands of labs across the world. We invite you to equip your laboratory with the PerkinElmer Flexar UHPLC system.